So for today, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Western Union to your PayPal account. So first, you need to open your Western Union and you must select a country that you wanted to send in. And after that, you need to tender an amount you wanted to send to your PayPal wallet. And after that, click the drop icon. After clicking the drop icon, you must click the continue button under. After that, you need to choose your receiver, which receiver you wanted to send in. And then fill the informations that is indicated below, which is the wallet service provider, the country code as well as the mobile number of the recipient and the purpose of it. After that, you just need to click the continue and you're now all set. That's how you send money from Western Union to your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them in the comments below. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.